Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel diggers.com. So this is already episode 6 on how to build your own website. And today we will talk about how to change the styling, the appearance of your theme or of your site. The functionalities are actually different whichever theme that you will use, but most likely they are just on the same process. For me, I have chosen schema theme for my website. So this is my website. This is the layout of schema theme. And if I want to make changes to the color, to the font size, to the arrangement of the buttons, then we should log into our WordPress account. First, you need to click on appearance, and on the drop down menu, click on theme options. So once you click on that, it would open a different page, and this is where you can make some changes on the color, the settings, the functions of your theme or on your website. If you wanna make changes and you wanna go back to original settings, then you can click on reset to defaults. Okay, so first what you need to do, you need to click on styling options, and here you can change the color of your website. So here I've chosen this color, and if you wanna change that, example, if I would, okay, let me just copy this color. Example, if I would click on default, and then first, before I clicked on default, let's notice that if I click on the home page, okay, let's just click here, website building. You can see here that the search button is in red, and if you hover over the categories, it's in red. And also this one, continue reading, they are all in red because that's the color that I've chosen, color scheme. However, if I would click on default and save and changes, then I would refresh that. So you have noticed that the search button went back to its default color, which is blue. Continue reading is blue. And when I hover over my categories, they are also in blue. But actually, I wanted them to be in red. So I'm going to put it back to my chosen color, red. So when I make changes, it loads up a little bit long. So for this video, I want to avoid making changes because it's gonna take some time. So if I went back to my chosen color, red, and if we refresh our site, then see it went back to red, and the continue reading, it's all in red. Let's give it a bit of time to load up. So while it's loading up, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, diggers.com. I've got a lot of episodes here, step-by-step guide on how to make your own website. You don't need to pay for a developer. You can do it on your own, even without a technical background like me. I don't have any, but I've just followed step-by-step procedure as well from the teachers or gurus online. I'm sharing it with you. So next, we can now know how to make changes in the color and the layout style. Here, the right sidebar, left sidebar. So what does it mean is, you notice this one? So I've chosen that the sidebar would be on the right side, but if you click on this one, then this part here will be transferred over here. So that's its purpose. Now the background color, I went to choose the default one, I believe. So that's like a white background color. And for the pattern, I chose this. It's like, how to say that, like square types. And as you can see here, look at the background of the page. It has like a pattern. So that's because I chose this. So if I click on any of these, then the same pattern would show on the background. Next is the parallax effect. The parallax effect is mostly when you click on the home page and you've put in here a photo, then there will be like small buttons over here where you can actually browse on the gallery by not going anywhere. So it's mostly on the home page. However, on my home page, start here and diggers.com, I intentionally just put in one article, which is the start here, because I want this article to be shown to people when they visit my site. That's why I've put that in there. So you cannot see the parallax effect. But if I would put in more articles on my homepage, then you would see that. Okay. And if you wanted to change as well the setup of these functionalities over here, here is my logo or the website name part, and below that are the categories, way above are the pages and the social icons. So if you want to make changes on that, you can click here. If you would click this one, then after the categories, there would be another spot here only for the logos. But for me, I joined logos and then the categories, so I clicked here. And for the header background, I chosen white and the pattern. So here we go here. Look, this side. So it's white, and look at the pattern because I click on this pattern. Okay. And turned off for the parallax effect. Logo background is blue. Yep, as you can see, it's blue. And floating navigation, I turn it off. But if you will turn that on, what it does is when you scroll down, this part here, it would stick to the top. You can still see them when you scroll down. But for me, I prefer when somebody visits my website, then if they would scroll down, then they can see, because this is like it would take a lot of space. So my page would look like cramped, and I don't like that. That's why I turn it off. But if you want, then you can just turn on the floating navigation menu. Show primary menu. Primary menu is here. Home, about us, legal statement, privacy policy. You can turn on, turn off. Show logo, turn on, turn off. So if I would turn off, then you cannot see my website name, diggers.com. And show header social icons. So these are the social header icons here. So you can turn that on, turn that off. If you want to change the arrangement, if you want to put here Twitter first, then all you need to do is to just drag it like that and click on save. You can also click on add header icons and put it another social media account, say Instagram or Reddit or anything, up to you. And you don't forget to click on save changes. All right, so that's basically, this is not, there are still a lot of little things that we need to discuss, but for this video, I just want you to show how to make major, like the main changes on the appearance of your site, like the color, the arrangement, the buttons and all that. But on the next video, then we can talk more on how to make tiny changes, especially to the footer, to the homepage, single post, social buttons, typography or typography. These are the font styles. So there would be a different font style for your website name, different font style for the categories, for the main menu. So you can all do that if you click on this one here. Okay, so guys, that would be all for this video. Once again, If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on subscribe, and then I'm gonna see you soon on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.